Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for being here again. I'm Rinske, Douna, and this is my art channel. Today I'm gonna work on this canvas. It's a 70 by 100 centimeter canvas and I'm using a dark blue base. I wanted to use a Prussian blue, but I did not have enough for this huge canvas. So I've mixed a Winsor blue together with a Paynes gray, and now we have this beautiful dark blue. I will be pouring in a color blocking way, as you saw in this painting, and it turned out amazing. I don't know if it's gonna work on this base. It's quite dense, but yeah, we're gonna do it. So let's get started. I know the table is a huge mess because I've already tried something, did not work out for me. I'm gonna go again and see if it worked out this time. So I'm gonna go in with the pearl colors, and last time why it didn't work was because somehow they all vanished really. I'm gonna try a sort of color blocking here. Pearl blue. And go here with a pearl violet. In the middle, just a little bit of chill fun. That's it. I'm gonna blow that out. So that does look quite nice, but again the base color is eating my colors. I will spin this out. Alright, so the middle part, that's gorgeous. This hole, that's beautiful. But I'm gonna tweak this. So I'm gonna start here. I like the yellow part, if you guys can see it. This part. Ooh. Okay, tweaking is done. I'm just gently spinning this. It's enough. Yeah, this is unexpected. I was a bit fed up here, you know. I tried something, didn't work, and I thought, okay, let's get the cameras rolling and see if I can create something. But suddenly I created something, you know. You guys, I hope you guys see it. Here we see the violet, here we see the red, here we see the yellow, here we see the green. Somewhere must be the blue as well. And not only on the background. We're probably gonna see it when it's dry. So stay tuned for the close-up. Woohoo! Here, the huge first painting in the new art studio. It's such a success. And look at all these different colors and cells. That's insane. I'm obsessed, officially obsessed with the pearl colors really. It's just beautiful and mind-blowing to me how they dry. And so interesting that I used a different brand base, mixed my own, and it created such a different effect. If you saw my last video, then you saw me creating a new painting, a new concept, and I called it Reveal Pour Painting. In the meantime, while you're seeing my Dutch blooms, so I'm continuing this series, I'm working on the background, testing, planning those Reveal Pour paintings. But they do take a lot of time, so I can't be pushing them out that fast. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this painting as much as I do, and I'll see you next time.